morning, everyone. My name is Helia.
And my name is Alex. We're from grade 4 Reef Sharks.
Our word of the day today is funny.
Let's spell it together. F U N N Y. Let's repeat after me. Funny. Funny. Funny.
Great. Something funny makes you laugh.
Here's an example. The minions from Despicable Me are funny.
Let's say it together. Repeat after me. The minions from Despicable Me are funny. Great
Great job. Thanks for listening
and have a funny day.